In today's video, we won't talk about BlueStacks, SmartGaga, or any other popular emulator. Instead, we will discuss an emulator that was recently created by a YouTuber. When I tried this emulator for the first time, I was very surprised because, before today, I had never played Free Fire with such smooth FPS. So, if you also want to install the emulator on your PC, watch the video until the end. And yes, some of you may be the ones who are ready to test the emulator without watching the entire video. So, let me make it clear to those viewers that the installation process of this emulator is quite complicated because it's in the Spanish language. So, let's start the video.
Let's roll.
Goodbye.